Alright, Grandmaster Mario here. I am doing Dadish 2. I am doing Dadish 2 Bird Percent mobile again, but I am doing Fouls mode. So yeah, let's go. Oh my word. Sweetie. Tweety. What the hell? Tweety. Well, that run was kind of rubbish. Or was it? Nah, it wasn't all that great, but it was a bit sloppy, but whatever, at least we did it. At least we did it, another category. Three categories for Bird Percent Dadish 2. One on web and both on mobile. Alright, Grandmaster Mario. Yeah, that's it. Bird Percent. Another Bird Percent. Alright, Grandmaster Mario, that's it. Bye.